This girl literally started brushing her hair in our room, and I complain every day about how much of her hair is everywhere. I wake up, hair on my face. I use the bathroom, somehow there's hair in my pants. I don't know if that's TMI, but it's and she was brushing her hair out here, and I was like, girl, we just set up this entire like murder scene, so why don't you brush your hair in the bathroom? That's it. Let's get some B-roll where it's just...
No, my hair is disgusting. Look at this. It is like disgustingly orangey brown. But look at that wave though.
I know.
So I set out all my products. It's a two-step process. So first we have, basically this is gonna help lighten all my roots. Cause you see how dark these roots are? Don't go too close. I need to lighten it all up and kind of even everything out. So we have a 20 bottle developer and a 30 volume developer, and it will be accordingly on my head when I put it on. We have a second step, which is this is just color. So you don't need any developer or anything. You just...
Okay, you're moving so much. Do the typical product like showing with your hands. Like you're just picking things up and putting them down.
First, our first step is lightening my hair because my hair is dark, my roots are dark, and we need to even everything out. So we have our a booty guru holding of my ion color thing. I don't know what this is called.
How do you not know what it's called and you always buy it?
Because I like it and it works.
Wow. What is his name? Brad Mondo would definitely like judge you.
This is a cream color with I'm gonna, depending if it's my roots or depending on if it's my roots or the rest of my hair, I have developer here. So these three are just to add color. So this is to add the vibrancy of the red that I want. I want my hair to be bright red. I've been trying to use this every single time, but I've always gotten the smaller bottle, which doesn't cover my entire head. So we're gonna see if this is step 3, which is it's a color sealer. So hopefully this will help from like it bleeding.
It has blood on your face.
Yes, it has blood on my face. So let's get started. So here I am. I have my color ready. McLean's over here working on a few things, so they're only going to come over here when I need help, but they're on standby. And I'm going to set up a time lapse to see how long this takes me. I had a scale here. I measured out 2 ounces of my developer, and this is automatically 2 ounces, but I was just double checking. We have our color ready. We're going to start our time lapse, and we're going to get this hair done. Okay guys, so I look like I just killed somebody, but the color is all over my hair, and I'm about to take some makeup wipes and my cellular water to get rid of all the redness so that it's not sitting there while I'm letting my hair sit. So I'm going to let that sit. I have this bag over this so that all the heat kind of stays in there to help lift my root color. Yeah, so we'll check back in. I didn't clean off the edges of my hair because I wanted to make sure all the baby hairs were dyed, because I've had issues where I wipe off the dye off of my baby hairs. So I just wanted to make sure everything's dyed, and I can get it off with some micellar water. But anyways, so yeah, I look like someone just like, I don't know. But as you can see, it is red. It is like bright red, but it's not the deep bright red that I want, which is fine because I just needed to like help lighten the roots, and instead of just using lightener, I'd rather use like a permanent color so that when it fades, it doesn't fade to the orange that I had before. So I am going to clean everything off, make some food, and debate on whether or not I'm going to put the red hair dye in my hair or just do it tomorrow.
Ooh, this is like a sexy photo cat. Yep.
That's his Tinder profile?
Yep.
It's the next day, and I would like to say this root coverage, oh my god, we did such a fantastic job. I don't see any of my dark roots peeking through anywhere. Like literally anywhere. Here, let's go step into the light so you can see what color it is right now. This is my hair right now. Maybe you won't be able to tell on camera, but my hair is very more of an orange, like blood red. I knew that was gonna happen because that's what always happens. So I am going to take these colors with a deep conditioner because I want to also deep condition my hair after it being covered in chemicals. And we're just going to put this all over my hair and we're gonna see what happens. So here's our beautiful red. Look at that. Like, look at that shine. I am so excited to put this on. I just did 2 bottles of this and the same amount of conditioner, 1-to-1 ratio for this. But still, look, I thought it was gonna dilute like the color because of adding the conditioner, but look how vibrant that is. Wipe down anything that may have gotten red on it that wasn't covered with plastic, and by the looks of it, it's only the sink, which is really easy to clean. I'm going to take down all this plastic, eat some breakfast, and probably sit in the sun while I'm eating my breakfast because I was just rereading, and as you know, when you color your hair for best results, you want to cover it and like have some sort of heat so that instead of like putting a blow dryer on it because that'll just dry out the product, I'm going to sit in the sun just so that you can really see the condensation happening from the heat from my head coming off and mixing with the color. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to sit for this for at least 40 minutes and probably watch some YouTube or Netflix. Don't mind me in my bathrobe, but here's a sneak peek. This is fresh out of the shower. I tried to get rid of the line like I did last time when I was showing you guys a sneak peek of like the red line that I leave when I dye my hair, but look at this color. It's so bright. I'm so happy.